Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what I believe is the best eyeshadow palette for neutral pigmented colors, the docolor Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. If you've been looking for a versatile palette that works for both everyday looks and dramatic evening glam, this one deserves your attention. This docolor palette features 9 carefully curated shades designed to flatter every skin tone. Inside, you'll find a perfect balance of 5 smooth, velvety matte shades alongside 4 luminous shimmers. The mattes provide the ideal base and depth for your look, while the shimmers add a pop of highlight and sparkle that takes your eye makeup from simple to stunning. Whether you're a beginner experimenting with makeup or a seasoned pro, this palette makes it easy to create professional quality results. One of the standout features is the formula itself. The shadows are highly pigmented yet soft and creamy to the touch, which means they glide onto the skin effortlessly without chalkiness or heavy fallout. The blendability here is impressive. You can layer and mix shades without them becoming muddy or patchy. Plus, they're long-lasting, so you can trust your eye look to stay vibrant throughout the day or night without constant touch-ups. The color story is what makes this palette so versatile. You'll find warm browns, cool taupes, and universally flattering nudes, making it easy to create everything from a subtle daytime eye to a smoky, glamorous look. The mattes act as perfect transition shades, while the shimmers can be used as striking lid toppers or inner corner highlights. This range lets you seamlessly go from office ready to evening ready with just one compact palette. Another thing I appreciate is how travel-friendly it is. The palette is lightweight and compact, which makes it easy to slip into a makeup bag or purse. You're essentially carrying an all-in-one eye look kit wherever you go. It's an ideal choice for anyone who doesn't want to juggle multiple products but still wants options to play with. The docolor Neutral Eyeshadow Palette is designed to be a staple in your collection. It's not just about color, it's about quality, performance, and versatility. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist no-makeup look or a full glam statement, this palette adapts to your style and enhances your natural beauty. So if you've been searching for a reliable, affordable, and high-performing eyeshadow palette with neutral tones that pop, this docolor palette ticks all the boxes. Make sure to check it out. It could be the new go-to in your makeup routine. This has been Product Critique, giving you an honest look at products worth your time. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to subscribe for the next deep dive into the best beauty and lifestyle finds.